Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, I'm so excited today to show you this beautiful vase that we're going to be decorating. And we're starting out by using this blingy chain I got from Amazon. And we're going to be using Dollar Tree super glue to adhere the chain onto the vase. Hey lovelies, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I'm just checking in to make sure that you guys are doing well, keeping yourself safe out there and keeping yourself healthy. All right, many blessings. Well, if it's your first time here, well, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. On this channel, I make high-end DIY projects on a budget. So if you are into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy this week's video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And drop a comment down below. All my returning subscribers, well, thank you always for watching my videos. And now we're going to be using this rhinestone strip that I got from Amazon. And we're going to be applying it onto our vase to create our design. I got this pearl stickers from Dollar Tree and we're going to be applying it onto the vase. And now it's time to create our base. I got this wooden piece from Michael's. And I got the Dollar Tree mirror from Dollar Tree. And these rhinestones from Amazon. And what we're going to be doing is you're going to be using E6000 to attach the rhinestones onto the wooden part of the base. Just like so. I'm using my hot glue to remove those little stickers and sticky footing on the bottom of the mirrors, and it works pretty well. And then we're going to be using the E6000 glue to glue down the mirror onto the wooden piece. I got these little gems paper studio from Hobby Lobby, and we're going to be placing them where the mirror meets the rhinestones to give it an extra blingy effect. Alright guys, we are all done. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out so beautiful. And this vase, we could use it for any occasion like Mother's Day, Easter, birthdays, you name it. And let me know in the comments down below, would you recreate this vase? And where would you put it in your home? It turned out so beautiful. Guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? It's free to subscribe. So if you're into high-end DIY projects, subscribe. And share with your family and friends. Well, thank you for watching this video and check out my other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.